Hello, my computing friends. You might have already met some of our rugged computing options here on this dating show, but I'm here as that wild card. And what's all this talk about this fanless design? Did you know actively cool is where performance thrives? My name is LLM, and I'm part of an LLM series that's short for large language models. More importantly, I'm a brand new Edge AI server just released from Premio Inc., a leading edge computing solution partner in Los Angeles, California. I hear some of the current options might be a bit too rough around the edges. Well, I'm here to offer something more truly mature and dependable. I'm a top-notch enterprise performer, and I deliver results. On my free time, I love hanging out with my tech bro CEOs in the Silicon Valley, chatting about the latest AI technologies, and sipping on the best Chardonnays the Napa Valley has to offer, baby. My personality, I define that myself as a cool, calm, collected, performance-driven leader in my space. My computing DNA and results are proven and tested, built on decades of experience from the cloud to the data center. But today, in the age of AI, where significant processing is required, I can do that processing away from the cloud and at the edge. This is where I shine. I'm providing the backbone of machine intelligence and AI, and this is going to be localized closer to where data and IoT sensors are generated. I'm ready to scale the next wave of GenAI at the edge, and I'm excited to be a part of this massive AI infrastructure build-out happening now. I truly live and breathe computing hardware technology, everything from processing, memory, storage, to even high-speed networking rack mounts in the data center. And you know I'm all about them racks on racks of server racks, baby. I'm specifically engineered for high-performance, short-depth 1U Edge AI server with CPU plus GPU hardware acceleration with power redundancy at the edge. What this does is allows me to be deployed in on-premise data centers to manage multimodal workloads that are extremely crucial for the lowest latency, more bandwidth, and securing your data where it matters most for real-time decision making. So, if you're a system integrator, Miss Annie, or an OT IT solution architect looking for a cool, active, and reliable Edge AI server, the LLM Series is your match. I'm confident my experience and my results will make it an easy choice for your enterprise needs. So when that hotline rings, make sure to pick up my AI bling, baby. LLM stands for Large Language Models, and that's what's gonna scale your Gen AI needs and performance at the rugged edge. Three words that would describe LLM, other than Chardonnays, golf, and tech CEOs. We're gonna do efficient, reliable, and performance-oriented. Reason why? Efficiency. I'm the only one out of the bunch that offers power redundancy. If the power goes out, I got another one to kick in. Second, I'm reliable. Reliable in the sense that I have everything you need from compute, memory, storage, and networking. And last but not least, I am dependable and scalable because I am standardized form factor in a 1U, and I can be racked in a rack mount where you are doing your AI workloads. What's all this talk about fanless design? Fanless. I don't even know what that means. Did you know in the last decade, power and performance was all based on actively cooled servers? And that's what I am at my core. And at the Edge AI, a little bit of active cool processing, memory storage, GPU acceleration, and a standardized 1U form factor, I can rack what you need at the AI workload. That's easy. This company called Premio defined the edge continuum, and I was created by them. And in that edge continuum, we have three specific buckets that my players are playing into. That's the industrial, rugged, and specialized edge. I sit somewhere even better and more performance-oriented, and that's the on-premise data center, and that's where I perform the best because I can be rack-mountable, I have controlled power, and I can deliver the performance that you need. What all these other people have might be similar to what I have, but my technology is truly mature, it's results-oriented, and dependable. I've been used in all the machine learning algorithms, and I have the processing, memory, storage, connectivity with GPU acceleration to do what's most important at the edge, away from the cloud, and that's that inference detection for machine intelligence and AI. But also most important, your data is safe with me, right? I have a bezel on the front that's lockable that allows you to protect the data where it matters most for your AI workloads. You know, in the last decade or so, I've really banked on that on chemistry, but with my maturity and dependability, I'm leaning towards more compatibility. Compatibility is where I'm really looking for, And that compatibility stems in a lot of this new level of AI build-out. So if you're a system integrator, an OT/IT solution architect, someone who really understands the IT infrastructure, you should definitely choose me, LLM Series, because I got everything that you need for AI.